Uh-oh, I think I hear somebody pulled up. Let's go out here in the garage and check who's outside. What's up, everybody? Got my buddy Frank here with his 2020 C8 Corvette. We're going to be going over this vehicle today. He has just cracked 80,000 miles, so we're going to be talking about what it's like to own a vehicle like this here and how he's enjoyed putting those miles on it. What's up, Frank?
Hey, bud.
All right, man. So tell me, how many miles you got on this car right now?
I think I just turned 82.
82,000 miles.
Very close to it.
Man, listen, these cars will definitely take the mileage. You know, people put 100,000 plus miles on the C7, so it's going to be interesting to find out how good this engine is and how long it lasts. But for right now, we know we pretty much have a problem-free C8 Corvette with 82,000 miles. Let's go over some of the maintenance he's done with it. So Frank has done a lot of nice mods on here. You can see he added the high wing spoiler. He's done some upgraded the brakes when he had those changed. He's got the drilled and the slotted rotors. Done the carbon fiber on the sides. Also, he's got the carbon fiber on the roof. Really nice additional add-on to this car. Man, really makes this car stand out with this ceramic matrix gray. I love the color. Everybody knows this was my first color when I've got my first C8. And I still am in love with this color. Now this is a Z51 package, correct?
Yes.
You can tell by the front splitter here. Also, we've got the brakes for the Z51. It's got the carbon fiber on the side mirrors. Gorgeous car. So you can see he also did the grill inserts to help protect the radiator. And he does make a recommendation to get the powder coated tow hooks if you're going to add them on, because you can see the rock chips kind of tear it up. And I think you've had this painted, right?
It is not clear bra.
It's not clear bra. So he does not have a clear bra, but this here has been painted.
Has been painted.
We do get a lot of rock chips and rock debris out here in Arizona. So you can see here we've got the GT2 bucket seats, the black with the carbon fiber. Really nice additional add-on. This is a what's this, a 3LT package, so this is really nice. It's got the carbon fiber additional add-on. You've got your Alcantara, your suede headliner. Yeah, the 3LTs are a really nice package. He's also added back here a mirror on the back window. Nice. I had one of these on mine, a white one. I like that.
Someone yesterday was like, dude, you still get this?
No issues with this. All right, Frank, so let me ask you, your service, you do that when it comes up every 5,000 miles. What do you normally do?
Every time it says 0%, take it in is when I take it in.
Okay, so we got 82,000 miles. How many sets of tires have you gone through?
3 on the back and 2 on the front.
Okay, so you've done 3 sets in the rear and we've done 2 in the front. Okay, not bad at all. I mean, you're getting pretty good life out of these. That's really good. Are you doing the performance tires, or do you know?
I do the run flats.
Okay, so you got the exact same stuff. Nice. And so you were telling me you had one service transmission issue. What was that?
At about 12,000 miles, it wasn't going into park when I would put it into park and turn it off. What would happen is when I would turn it back on, there was kind of like a clunking, or it felt like it was slamming itself into park. So I took it in. They did a computer reset, and I haven't had any issues with it since then.
Okay, cool. And that was 12,000 miles?
Yeah.
All right, awesome. So 12,000 miles, he did have an issue with his transmission. They were able to correct that with a software update, service reset of the transmission, and he hasn't had any issues since then, so that's pretty good. Right now you can see his maintenance service, he's at 71%, transmission fluids 22%, so I think he's gotten a lot of good life out of this vehicle here. He's got a lot of good enjoyment out of it. That's the most important thing. You having fun with it?
81,000 fun miles.
I'll tell you what, I believe it.
Yeah.
Awesome. So let me ask you, out of your 81,000 miles, do you think the car's got any better, any worse? What's your honest opinion?
Honestly, I don't think it's changed much since I've gotten it. Maybe it's not as, I don't know, as zippy, maybe. But I mean, I can do launch and I'm still getting 2 9s and 3 1s and stuff like that. So I've just been really I go fast every day, but I don't launch it. I don't put that kind of, I don't know, pressure on the car,
right?
You know, so to speak. So I just ease into, accelerating. I just don't really hammer it and put all that torque and all that craziness.
Gotcha. But the car still runs strong.
Oh, it's just beautiful.
Solid. Any major rattles or creaks?
No. I did have a little bit of an overheating issue, but I changed the thermostat, and that has fixed that problem.
When did you change the thermostat on the car?
That was right at about 80,000 miles.
Okay, so you just put a new thermostat on it.
Yeah.
All right, awesome. Well, let's take a look at her. Okay, everybody, listen. We are about to go take these cars out and have a little bit of fun. Frank, you ready to go out and hit the road?
Let's do it.
All right, we're going to go out here. Listen, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications. Till next time, enjoy the ride. If you want to see Frank, check him out online. And he's got his new tag, Crazy 8. Thanks for watching, everybody.